Look at this 2004 Dodge Ram 2500. Carfax has certified this Ram 2500 as having one owner. This Ram 2500 has just under 100,000 miles. This Ram 2500 boasts a 5.9-liter inline-six engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include Laramie Quick Order Package, Powertrain Protection Group, Trailer Tow Group, 3.73 axle ratio, anti-spin rear axle, 5.9L, 360, i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine, sliding rear window, NA with rear window defroster, folding trailer tow power exterior mirrors, federal emissions, FM stereo with 6-disc in-dash CD changer, leather 40/20/40 split bench seat and the 17x8 chromed steel wheels. Rec. 2J Laramie Quick Order Package or 2H Laramie Quick Order Package. Credit. Call 877-686-7799 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.